Welcome to our roundup of the best car diagnostic tools, essential devices designed to help you quickly identify and understand issues with your vehicle. Whether you're a DIY car owner or a professional mechanic, a reliable OBD2 scanner can save time, reduce repair costs, and provide valuable insights into your car's performance. Modern diagnostic tools offer features like real-time data monitoring, error code reading and clearing, emission status checks, and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Many models also include user-friendly interfaces, Bluetooth connectivity, and detailed diagnostic reports. Choosing the right car diagnostic tool can make maintenance easier and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car diagnostic tools available right now. Starting with the Ansell AD410 Enhanced OBD2 scanner, this model is a great choice for users who want advanced features in a simple handheld device. It typically offers full OBD2 functions, including reading and clearing error codes, viewing live data, and checking emission readiness. The built-in display allows users to access information without needing a smartphone or external device. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store. Many users appreciate its fast performance and accurate readings. Additionally, it provides clear diagnostic results for quick troubleshooting. It also improves efficiency, enhances usability, and supports regular vehicle maintenance. It also increases diagnostic accuracy, improves response speed, enhances data clarity, and ensures reliable performance during frequent vehicle checks and long-term usage conditions. Next up is the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner, a popular option known for its reliability and professional-level performance. This scanner typically features a large color display that makes reading codes and data easier. It supports live data streaming, allowing users to monitor engine performance in real time. The device also includes a built-in database for code definitions, helping users understand issues without additional research. Many users appreciate its strong build quality and consistent results. Additionally, it delivers detailed diagnostic information and stable performance. It also improves troubleshooting accuracy, enhances control, and supports efficient repairs. It also boosts diagnostic depth, improves data visualization, enhances user understanding, and ensures consistent performance across multiple vehicle types and extended diagnostic sessions. Moving on to the Moto Power MP69033 OBD2 scanner, this model offers a simple and budget-friendly solution for basic diagnostic needs. It typically supports essential functions like reading and clearing engine fault codes, making it ideal for everyday vehicle checks. The device features a straightforward interface with clearly labeled buttons for easy operation. Its compact and lightweight design makes it convenient to store in your car. Many users appreciate its ease of use and quick setup. Additionally, it provides reliable basic diagnostics and consistent results. It also improves convenience, enhances simplicity, and supports regular maintenance tasks. It also increases ease of handling, improves quick diagnostics, enhances portability, and ensures dependable performance for simple and routine vehicle monitoring tasks. Stepping up in technology, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool offers advanced features with wireless convenience. This device connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to view detailed diagnostic reports through a dedicated app. It typically provides enhanced diagnostics, including ABS, airbag, and transmission data for supported vehicles. Many users appreciate its in-depth reports and repair suggestions. The wireless design eliminates the need for cables, improving convenience. Additionally, it delivers accurate and detailed insights. It also enhances flexibility, enhances usability, and supports advanced diagnostics. It also boosts connectivity performance, improves app integration, enhances diagnostic coverage, and ensures efficient analysis with detailed reports and real-time vehicle data tracking. Taking the top spot is the Ansell AD310 Universal OBD2 scanner, a highly reliable and easy-to-use tool designed for quick diagnostics. This scanner typically supports all standard OBD2 functions, making it compatible with most vehicles. It features a simple plug-and-play design that allows users to start diagnosing issues instantly. The clear display shows error codes and basic data in an easy-to-read format. Many users appreciate its durability and consistent performance. Additionally, it delivers fast and accurate results for everyday use. It also stands out for its simplicity, reliability, and overall value. It also improves diagnostic speed, enhances user convenience, increases compatibility, and ensures stable performance for long-term use across different vehicles and conditions. All of these car diagnostic tools serve different needs depending on features, usability, and budget. The Ansell AD410 offers advanced features in a compact design. The Foxwell NT301 delivers professional-level diagnostics. The Moto Power MP69033 provides simple and affordable functionality. The Blue Driver Scan tool offers wireless advanced diagnostics, and the Ansell AD310 stands out as the most reliable and user-friendly option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car diagnostic tools, from simple plug-and-play scanners to advanced Bluetooth diagnostic systems. If you're maintaining your vehicle, diagnosing issues, or saving on repair costs, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which diagnostic tool you choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your car running smoothly with the right diagnostic tool.